Basic troubleshooting. No boot, no display. Beginner level, introduction. Basic troubleshooting is the process of identifying and fixing common computer problems. Two of the most common issues beginners face are: no boot means computer does not start. No display means computer turns on, but nothing shows on screen. Learning how to troubleshoot these problems helps you fix issues quickly, avoid unnecessary repairs, understand how systems work. This topic helps beginners understand common causes of issues, step-by-step troubleshooting, hardware checks, basic diagnostic methods. What is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is the process of finding and fixing problems in a system. In simple words, troubleshooting equals identifying the problem and solving it step by step. Why troubleshooting is important. Troubleshooting skills help you fix common computer issues, save time and money, avoid panic during failures, improve technical understanding. Types of common problems. Problem description: no boot, system does not power on. No display, system runs but no screen output. Random shutdown, system turns off unexpectedly. Slow system performance issues. No boot problem. What is no boot? No boot means the computer does not start at all. Symptoms: no lights, no fan movement, no sound. Common causes of no boot: power supply failure, loose cables, faulty motherboard, power button issue. No boot. Troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check power source. Ensure power cable is plugged in. Check wall socket power equals false if not power. Print. Check power connection. Step 2. Check PSU. Switch. Make sure PSU switch is on. Step 3. Check power cables. 24-pin motherboard cable, CPU power cable. Step 4. Check power button. Try restarting. Check front panel connections. No display problem. What is no display? No display means the computer is running, but nothing appears on the screen. Symptoms: fans running, lights on, black screen. Common causes of no display: loose monitor cable, GPU issue, RAM not properly installed, monitor problem. No display troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Check monitor. Ensure monitor is on. Check input source. Step 2. Check display cable. HDMI DisplayPort properly connected. Cable connected. False if not cable connected. Print. Reconnect display cable. Step 3. Reseat RAM. Remove and reinstall RAM. Step 4. Check GPU. Ensure GPU is properly installed. Connect power cables. Step 5. Try another monitor. Test with different screen. Basic troubleshooting flow. Problem equals no display. If problem equals no boot, print. Check power supply and cables. Elif problem equals no display, print. Check monitor, RAM, GPU. Step-by-step troubleshooting strategy. Identify the problem. Check basic connections. Test components one by one. Replace or fix faulty part. Verify solution. Simple troubleshooting example. True display equals false. If system on and not display, check monitor and RAM. Full menu-based troubleshooting simulation. Python. Def check power. Print checking power supply. Def check display. Print checking monitor and cables. Def check RAM. Print reseating RAM. Def check GPU. Print checking GPU. While true, print 1. Check power, no boot. Print 2. Check display. Print 3. Check RAM. Print 4. Check GPU. Print 5. Exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, check power. Elif choice equals 2, check display. Elif choice equals 3, check RAM. Elif choice equals 4, check GPU. Elif choice equals 5, break. Else print invalid choice, comma, problem identification, comma, hardware troubleshooting, comma, step-by-step diagnosis, common system issues, logical thinking, real-life analogy. Troubleshooting is like fixing a car that won't start. Check fuel, power. Check battery, PSU. Check engine, CPU. Ways to improve troubleshooting skills. Practice solving real issues. Learn hardware basics. Use diagnostic tools. Follow logical steps. Document problems and solutions. Common mistakes beginners make. Panicking instead of checking basics. Skipping simple checks. Changing too many things at once. Ignoring loose connections. Where troubleshooting is used. Used in IT support, system administration, PC repair, hardware engineering, daily computer use. Simple definition. Basic troubleshooting. The process of identifying and fixing common computer problems like no boot or no display. Final summary. Troubleshooting helps you check, fix common issues, save time and money, understand systems better, build confidence. Learning this skill makes you more independent and technically strong.